Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, July 18th, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across auto, banking and financials, FMCG, pharma, IT and technology, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in auto. Maruti Suzuki climbed plus 1.62% to 13,803 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower on tech weakness but recover after hours on strong Micron earnings, Moo, Avgo, Google in focus, StockTwits. The near-term technical picture for Maruti Suzuki looks constructive. Watch the $14,355 level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Moving to banking and financials. Bajaj Finance climbed plus 1.60% to 1,037.60 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by July Fed meeting unpacked, what the latest decision may mean for investors, Lord, Abbott & Co. LLC. Consumer durable financing and personal loans are growing, but the market is watching credit quality in a slower growth environment. The EMI card business and co-branded credit card partnerships are the emerging fee income drivers. Watch for any commentary on the Q-on-Q credit cost trend. Moving to FMCG. ITC edged higher plus 1.46% to 280.70 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower on tech weakness but recover after hours on strong Micron earnings, Moo, Avgo, Google in focus, StockTwits. The near-term technical picture for ITC looks constructive. Watch the $291.93 level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Moving to pharma. Sun Pharma is trading lower by minus 0.97%, at 1,932.60 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower on tech weakness but recover after hours on strong Micron earnings, Moo, Avgo, Google in focus, StockTwits. Sun Pharma is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the $1,971.25 resistance and $1,893.95 support as the boundaries of the current range. Moving to IT and technology. Wipro edged higher plus 0.77% to 176 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Asian markets tumble as RE stock sell-off deepens, Nikkei sinks nearly 6%, he plunges 2%, the Times of India. AI services revenue, particularly enterprise AI implementation projects, is the emerging differentiation story. The EBIT margin target of 17 to 17.5% is on track. Watch US financial services deal activity as the indicator of whether demand is genuinely recovering. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 96.27, which matters for import and export-heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Independent market coverage, no subscription fees, no paywalls. If this analysis saved you time and helped you think more clearly about the market, please like the video. It costs you nothing and it directly funds more content like this. Subscribe for daily coverage across indices, stocks, commodities, forex, and crypto. Tell us in the comments, what are you watching most closely right now? Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets and we will see you in the next video. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.